Hello everyone and welcome to another video about the Learnix Center. Today I'd like to address questions that many students asking us. Those questions related to our new curriculum for this season. As you know, we offer additional modules right now. We still have our basic course, which is 3 months. That course takes you from non-IT to IT. It's specifically designed for people who never had prior IT experience. And you take this basic 3 months course and you become a manual software tester, quality assurance specialist, and you have a choice. You can go immediately and get a job and continue to study later, or you can immediately choose one other module that we offer. We offer 2 more modules and they are just 1 month in length. So we offer you to become automation software tester, or you can take another module and become a business analyst. So once again, to recap, we have 3 options. You can become a manual software tester in 3 months, or you can become automation software tester in 4 months, or you can become a business analyst in 4 months. So the choice is yours, of course, and we encourage you to come to us for a free class and sit down and discuss different options and discuss your situation so that you can make the right decision. That would be preferable. If you already have background and sufficient education and training and experience in IT, if you are already an IT professional, and you might be interested to improve your skills and either become automation software tester or business analyst, well, then you're welcome to come and take our 1 month module and add that to your list of skills. So that option is also available. Like I said, contact us and come and talk to us. I'd like to remind you again that it's a big trend right now to retrain existing employees and provide knowledge to all people. Large companies are doing it and investing millions of dollars into that. So come and talk to us, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.